Okay, we're getting ready for round two, Steve,
Yep.
but hopefully not as widespread and not as bad.
Well, if you count the snow on Saturday, technically we're on round 3 now, it seems
That
like.
is true.
Yeah.
I guess
Yeah.
I was just thinking of the freezing rain, but that is very true.
Yeah, I want to preface this forecast with this is not going to be an area-wide refreeze again like we saw on Tuesday. This will be very specific to very specific locations. That's a lot. That's a double specific. Hey, Highway 14, Hood River on the Washington side. Boy, the Columbia River Gorge is really socked in. They're in the mid-20s there. If you have to travel up I-84 or SR-14, be advised it's going to look like this for the next several days as it is slow to warm up. In fact, look at that Hood River temperature right now, 25, 24 at the Dalles, 21 Madras. Now, as Cora was saying in his live shot a bit ago, still 33 in Troutdale. It's actually come down. Portland's temperature has dropped a couple degrees, and we're going to expect these temperatures to drop a little bit more as the east wind slowly picks up. Now, there's a closer look at temperatures there, mostly above freezing. Matter of fact, nearly all of these above freezing with the exception of Gresham and Troutdale at this point in time. I don't see any major change south of Portland or west of Portland or up into Clark County. Temperatures should stay above freezing. This is a live look outside downtown Vancouver right now. So our main concerns going forward are side streets. See all that ice and compact snow on the side streets there? If that's what your neighborhood looks like or your driveway, and we're going to get continued rainfall on top of that. It is extremely slick out there, so be careful. Like I was just telling some of our coworkers, it was just tough getting out of my neighborhood. Once you get on the main freeways, things are better. All right, satellite and radar, everything in pink here through the Columbia River Gorge down into a narrow swath across Portland, and some cold air damming up against the Coast Range there out in far western Washington County. This is radar indicated freezing rain, even though temperatures are still at or just above freezing. The radar can't quite differentiate when it's that close to the ground. We got a lot more moisture to come, and again, that drive through the gorge is going to remain snow-covered east of about Multnomah Falls. All right, Futurecast, let's play this out the rest of today. Light freezing rain, temperatures just above freezing throughout the metro area into this afternoon. Here's 4 o'clock. As we move into the evening hours, this model suggests we get some dry time, but notice those temperatures remaining just at or above freezing. It's once we get into the overnight hours, again, models backing off on some of this moisture coming in, and that's a good thing for freezing rain. Here's 7:30 tomorrow morning, just above freezing, and then we start to warm things up as we get into tomorrow afternoon. This is very classic, where it takes time for the models to catch up with the amount of cold air that's in the area before we transition out of these events. Ice accumulation, all of our models keep it fairly light, less than 1/4 of an inch, and again, through the gorge, right out into Portland. And that's right where the east wind continues to blow. In fact, the wind's been blowing 35 to 45 miles per hour already today. So the cold east wind continues to funnel that cold air out across the metro area. Until that shuts off, we are going to stay just at or above freezing. Wind gust forecast on a wider level shows maybe perhaps 40 miles an hour out in Gresham, Troutdale, Portland. I just checked local observations at Troutdale. They're gusting 35 to 40 now. Up into the West Hills, yeah, you guys are feeling it up there. So the winds will pick up a bit tonight before finally backing off as we get into your Friday. There's that wind gust forecast at PDX. Yeah, they'll ramp up quickly here this afternoon, up 45, maybe even 50 miles per hour, although there's just not a whole lot of really cold air to pull from like there was over the weekend. So temperatures near freezing, not as cold. This is our storm confidence. It's medium. And some icing, light icing, up to maybe 1/10 of an inch expected. The day planner for the rest of the day, as we look at our ALNA camera up there and I-5, you see traffic moving fine. We do trend those temperatures down close to freezing as we get near sunset, and that would introduce that patchy freezing rain that we're expecting. Just a quick look at the ski report. Boy, they have gotten a lot of snow up there, but they are also getting some rain at the resorts as well, freezing rain, excuse me, as bases continue to hold steady. 7-day forecast, so patchy ice possible. I want to preface that. In certain areas, again, east of 205, be on the lookout as temperatures cool tonight out into the gorge. We already seen our high for the day at 37. We'll cool it down to right around freezing tonight, Jenny. And then we're drying it out on Friday. And I don't think I've ever been so happy to see a 50 on the 7-day, 53 on the 7-day forecast. So.
I mean, that just seems so normal.
It is. It's been so long.
Feels like it. Okay.
We're getting there. We're getting there.
Slowly but surely.
Yep.
We'll be right back.